I just spent the last 24 hours researching Amazon KDP books, and I found a book that made over $73,000 in less than 18 days. But the person who published it isn't a writer. It's an activity book, and they probably created it in just a couple of hours. I also found 10 more making between $3,000 and $56,000. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Shannon. I've published over 500 books on Amazon KDP, and I want to show you how to find winning book ideas. And these 11 books prove that you don't need to be a writer to make money publishing. And all of these are beginner friendly. So let's break them down. Book number 1. Dad, I Want to Hear Your Story, which is a dad journal. It's basically a guided journal for fathers. And its estimated sales are $19,890. And why it works, it's an emotional gift market, Father's Day spike, low competition niche, and a simple prompted journal format. Book number 2, Trivia for Seniors, large print, easy to read format. The estimated sales were $3,600. And why it works, it's an aging population, and senior activity books are consistent sellers, and accessibility focused with the large print. So book number 3 is Interesting Facts for Curious Minds, 1572 random facts about everything. And the estimated sales, $43,000. And why it works, has a curiosity-driven title, broad appeal, gift-worthy, bathroom book category. And this is just compiled information in an organized format. Book number 4, and this is the $73,000 book. It's a mega activity book, and this book has only been published for 18 days. So the full $73,000 was made in less than 18 days. And it's the mega 6-7 activity book for kids. The estimated sales were over $73,000. And why this one is crushing it. Parents are buying for specific age range. That age range has a trending topic right now, which is 6-7. So it's multiple activities, trending topic, so it has a high value. It has mazes, coloring, puzzles, all in one. Simple activity pages you can create or source. And it's all around the topic 6-7. Number 5, Stocking Stuffers for Kids. It's a Christmas word search with mazes and coloring. The estimated sales were $9,040. And why it works, it's seasonal spike, stocking stuffer price point, and it combines multiple activities. This book probably makes most of its money October through December. Book number 6, How to Draw for Ages 8 to 12. It's basically a drawing tutorial book. The estimated sales were $13,938. And why it works, drawing is an evergreen skill, specific age targeting, step-by-step format, and it appeals to parents. These are simple drawing instructions broken into steps. Book number 7, Brain Rot Coloring Book, Viral Meme Edition. And yes, this is a real one. The estimated sales were $16,698. Not bad for brain rot. And why it works, it's tapping into current internet culture. Teens, young adults buy ironic content and meme economy. And this proves you can publish books about literally anything if there's an audience. Book number 8, Captivating Stories for Curious Kids, which is a story collection for children. Estimated sales were $50,302. And why it works, bedtime story market, educational angle, parents are always buying storybooks, and multiple stories increase your perceived value. Book number 9, The Best Jokes Every 10-Year-Old Should Know. It's just a joke book, but the estimated sales are $12,350. That's no joke. And why it works, specific age targeting, joke books are gift staples, kids share jokes with friends at school, and it's creating word of mouth. It's a simple format, it's just compiled jokes. Book number 10, and this is probably the easiest to create, it's just a sketch pad. So book number 10, Sketchpad Drawing Books for Kids 6 to 10. It's literally just blank pages for drawing. The estimated sales were $4,081. And why it works, blank books are the easiest to create, no content required, just formatted pages and a snazzy cover. So this is literally just blank paper with a super nice cover. And book number 11, What Would You Rather for Kids? 300 plus questions. The estimated sales were $56,000. And here's why it works. It's an interactive format, car trip entertainment, family game night appeal, and it's easy to create with question lists. This is just questions compiled into a book. And here are the patterns. Look at what these 11 books have in common. 7 are kids' books. Why? Because parents are constantly buying books for their children. 4 are activity or educational formats. Why? Because it keeps kids busy and parents see the value. 3 of them are gift-focused. And why that works? The gift market multiplies sales, especially during holidays. And none of these books require you to be a professional writer. These are journals, activity books, compiled content, simple formats. And the opportunity? You don't need to write a novel. You need to identify a specific audience need and create a simple book that fills that need. You can do guided journals, just prompts and blank space, activity books, mazes, coloring, puzzles, compilation books, facts, jokes, questions, all creatable using templates, AI, sourced content, or simple designs. Pick one format from this list, decide your target audience, create your book using Canva, BookBolt, or hire a designer on Fiverr, Upwork for $50 to $200, or use AI like Nana Banana or ChatGPT. Sign up for Amazon KDP, which is free to publish. They will handle the printing and the shipping. Then you'll collect the royalties. Royalties typically range from $2 to $8 per book. And one of these ideas might be your $73,000 month. If you want a full KDP publishing tutorial, you can check out this video. And comment KDP if you want my KDP starter kit. That's all for today. Go create that $73,000 book. Thanks for watching.